He has a schedule.
So now?
Yeah, we just wanted to go live because we are going to. I can't. Oh my gosh, how do we go to PBS? How do we go to PBS?
I think Kyler's.
This phone because you have a big phone. Yeah.
Wow!
Oh. Baka may makita sila sa likod. Sabi nyo?
Don't feel like doing
Sa.
it.
Ano nga to, Chrome? Lapit nyo ako nabuto.
Wala ba siyang Google?
Coding. Pero wala akong is. Guys, alam niyo ba yung link?
Wait.
Guys,
Baka sa Twitter natin.
Or baka sa hindi YouTube yung natin. Oh, on air. You need an app?
No, I don't think so.
Right? Desktop side. The desktop. Okay. On air, TV.
Huwag kayo mag-check na history.
Ayan. Ayan.
Wow!
Ito na. Ganito.
Let's go.
May ads. La!
Mahirap talaga.
Yan. Okay na to, no? Is it good? Are these actual ads? I think actual ads siya nung ano.
Saya talaga mag-short na.
Oh my gosh!
Where?
I am having technical difficulties.
Di ba? Hindi mo i-full screen.
Pag pinipit yung full screen, nag-wait yung ad. Ito naman siguro yun, no? Ito naman nga.
Guys, nasa
Ito
inyo
naman
na
sa... Ito ba yun? Kasi hindi ako
dito
sa mga
Ano ba't may mga aso? Yan. Ads.
Baka nga. Hindi ko alam kung ads. Ito talaga yung commercial ngayon sa TV.
Hi guys, sorry na
Wait.
nagkakaproblema po sila.
ABS
So,
use?
me and
Don't
Lisa will
worry,
talk to you
don't
guys
pay.
first. Kumusta naman ang araw mo?
Okay naman.
Or ABS too.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Your hands are hurting, right?
Yeah.
Because
They did something.
Yeah, they did something. Yeah.
Kaya,
Anong ginawa mo?
tinatapag chat ako ngayon.
Grabe, syempre. Anong gin?
Nagbuhat ng ano.
Something. Tubig.
Ito yung pusang ano, yung pusang parang...
Links.
Oh, hindi.
Hala, kilala ko yan.
Links.
Siya yung ano.
Yung nang, ano... Di ba links yung walang...
Ano? Links.
Hindi, iba pa yung Sphinx. Ito yung may tawag dito yung parang nangangagat.
Mga ganyan lagi.
Parang kurama yan.
Ano?
Fox yun, boy.
May ganun ba?
Guys, it's DJ Chikatali, by the way!
Let's go!
Let's go!
It looks good. It's looking good. Are all the VIP seats you have good? I mean, did you get your preferred ones? Why is there a... It's a bobcat, I think. It's a bobcat. Yeah, it's a something bobcat.
Search mo nga kung Bobcat kasi I think that's links.
Ito naman yan.
That's links cat.
Bobcat.
That's a link cat.
Really? It's a bobcat.
Not Bobcat, bro.
Oh.
A Bobcat is
Lynx.
like
Actually, it's a lynx.
so hairy.
Lynx cat. It's not a lynx too. Sphinx. Di ba pa yung Sphinx?
Alam ko web yun eh. Yung pusa na yun.
Why are we talking about cats? We should be talking about our immortal songs.
Iba yung Sphinx ah.
Why yung Sphinx yung mga chicken? Chicken sa palengke. It's a Madagascar something, di ba? Alam ko.
Ano nga yung pusa niya?
Madagascar.
So guys, alam niyo naman
daw ditong
ano yung day ngayon. Di ba?
Wow!
Happy niya daw.
Congrats.
Congrats!
I can't find it. I am tired. I need to find the KBS thing before it starts.
Yeah.
Bakit ito? Ano ito? Dong. KBS. Ito diba? Tama diba?
Yeah.
KBS diba? Ba't di ka sinasabi?
Hindi kayo nagtanong.
Ha?
NBC yun, boy.
NBC ba? Oh my god.
Hindi kayo
Wala ka sasalita!
Hindi kayo
No, bro, ano may
Magkakaalam ko kay BS. CBS to!
CBS to.
Ang galing mo kay Burley.
Guys, we only have
Ito, KBS.
30 minutes.
Yeah, it's 6:05 there.
No.
Ayun, ito na.
Yan?
No, sorry.
She said it will start at 6 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, we still have time. Guys, go to the KBS2 channel. It's in the onair.kbs.co.kr.
Yeah.
If you can watch it from the Philippines, I'm not sure.
Saturday.
Okay, we are on the KBS2.
Yeah.
I want to read comments, but my phone is there.
Okay.
Ayan. Ooh.
Nanood siya.
Yeah, Marcus is Barabeze. Papayo.
Siya ang pinaka-busy sa amin sa lahat ngayon. Sa ngayon.
Yeah.
Sa ngayon.
Ano na kanya binet? You betrayed me. IZX. Please support IZX. Please support IZX from Horizon. Please support our baby Marcus.
Isaac.
It's IZX with the exclamation point. No?
Yeah.
Isaac.
Isaac.
And hindi siya si Marcus doon, guys. Guys, he is not Marcus there. He is Max.
He is
Yo,
Max!
Max!
Sir Max!
Isaac.
So please support our baby Marcus as he goes to IZX and promotes as IZX. He will still be part of Horizon. I mean,
Isaac.
of course he will.
I think
he will be
he
forever.
is, I don't think we should.
Ano yun?
Parang siya yung,
Baby?
sa,
Magnet?
oo,
Eh?
magnet siya naman.
Siya naman.
Siya yung pinakabata sa,
Oo, kasi yung iba, ano na yun, 20, kasi meron kasi age ko, and then may 2003, and then may 1997. So he's like super young there. Because he's super young here, but he's more young. Super duper. Yeah. I think a lot of anchors were confused about it. Wait, meron pa tayo. We have 10 to 15 more minutes before the performance starts. Can we say that's a performance? Yeah, right?
See you on November 3 Horizon. See you too.
See you. See you.
excited
See
na
you
kami.
too. Guys, kwento nyo kami ng ano nyo, ng mga experience nyo sa pagkuha ng tickets. Like,
May nangyari.
may nangyari ba? Para magawa natin ang paraan.
Yan.
Or okay naman, is it all smooth sailing? Let's, you know, please
Pero
tell
ano
us.
mang ano dyan? Parang number 2.
Ba't hindi nag-update yung comments mo, pre? Parang kanina pa ito nandito.
Gagawin sa dyan sa man. My phone is there.
Ba't hindi nag-update?
Parang hindi nga nag-update. Naglolo ko. Kaya nag-out ako tapos nag-join ako.
Sorry for the notification.
Secured. Yay! Secured takes!
Yeah, sana ma-sort out, guys.
Yeah, okay lang yung mga late enrollee.
It's fine. Marami pa kayong araw.
Yes.
Okay lang yan
pa naman
guys.
yung
Ako
pasukan.
mag-enroll late ako eh.
30, yung 36.
Mag-suggest kayo pwede gawin pang science project. So, I think for science project, you can do volcano.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano yung happy game mo?
Clay? Ganun sa amin,
Kaya
Clay.
gawa kayo.
Medyo nagugutom.
Tapos may pinapatak na something.
Kain tayo. Ito.
Ano kayo?
Yung chicken.
Wow, down there ni
Guys, see you there.
Yung cashier sa SM ba ko or ang tagal pumindot ng number?
Hala!
Guys, good things take time.
Yeah.
Hey.
We have 36 days
Yeah, tama 36.
to go.
Flight ticket secured na din. Oh, some people are flying?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so
From
much.
there.
Me too. Yeah, us too were flying. So please pray for a safe flight.
Have a safe flight.
Yung natin ang
Ay, ito pala yung ano, turbulence.
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 Tagalog kasi. Mas English pa kayo turbulence eh. Parang mas turbulence.
Hindi, pag ano ka ba? Turbulence.
Pag turbulence kasi yung mga Bisaya, mas mahilig sila sa E tsaka I.
Yeah.
So turbulence.
Yeah, it was so crazy. Kasi nung pumunta kami pa Korea, puro mga old people yung kasama namin. Mga may edad na. Kaya, nagpapanik talaga sila, di ba? Pero alam niyo kung hindi nagpanik?
Grabe talaga yun.
May hindi nagpanik. Ayun.
Siya!
Oh, sabi niya kasi normal daw yun.
Normal pa yun basta walang nalalaglag na gamit.
Grabe! Ang galing.
Hanggang hindi nag-aapo yung engine. Yung engine. Palagla.
Like grabe as in sa likod tayo parang gumanon talaga.
Yeah.
Natutulog ako, biglang mo ako.
Biglang buti na lang tayo nun.
Naka-seatbelt
tayo.
Pero buti na lang ako ay naka-noise cancelling mode. Sponsored by JBL.
JBL!
Yeah, kasi bakit tayo yung binigyan tayo ng JBL ng mga headphones.
Complete set.
JBL lang talaga sa kalam kasi
Sa kanan.
Yeah.
Pero grabe, hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence. Kaya, feeling ko
Akala ko yun na yun.
Feeling ko, end ko na to, end of the world na to.
Di ba nagsabi ka, nag-break ka, di ba?
Oo, nag-pray na talaga ako noon.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence na yan. So, pagbaba natin, sinetch ko siya. Tapos
Na-
may 3 times pala siya ng turbulence.
What are the 3 types? Please explain to our classmates.
Nakalimutan ko na eh. Pero may, basta yung tatlo.
Wait, ano yung pinagkaiba-iba? Parang kung gano'ng intense, no?
O, yung iba, naka-hints
Dahil
sa taas.
dahil sa clouds, di ba?
Ah.
Dahil ba yun sa clouds?
Dahil sa, tawag dun, di ba nagka-turbulence daw dahil sa
Nimbus Stratus.
different flow ng air.
Kapoy!
Ayun, tapos, di ba bawal daw at
Kapoy daw, kapoy.
yung hot,
Ay,
tsaka
Marcos, ang
cold
taas.
air.
Ay.
Ayun, kapag nagkukulad yung hot tsaka cold air daw, doon nagkaka-turbulence. Hindi different flow yung air. That's why.
Because I saw some movie din, may nangyari, kung possible yun. May pumasok na ibon dun sa sa engine.
Wala
Yun yung
naman.
pinakamalala.
Pero patay naman.
Yun yung pinakamalala.
Pero may
Kapag
chance
kasi
na-
bird strike yun eh.
Yung so ano nangyari nun? Nag-away na yung
Yun, nagkapoy
You're
ang
all
engine.
big.
Kasi yung blood nun, maapektuhan
Kakalat
yung
sa
engine.
everywhere.
Lagot. Kaya mag-ingat kayo sa mga
Mag-ingat.
kayo. Dapat.
Pray! Dapat lagi mag-pray.
Is there any dress code for the concert? Yes, it's a school uniform. Masabi mo dun ah. Yeah, but if you don't have school uniform, you can
Buy.
doctor uniform, teacher, ano pa bang uniform?
Basta uniform guys!
High school uniform,
Nag-guard.
uniform.
Pwede yung mga
Police
teacher,
uniform.
mga teacher, pwede pumunta dun.
Yeah.
Police uniform.
Kahit anong uniform ka,
Yeah.
tapos basta ano.
And it's
Basta
November 3 lang, basically. Hey Google, how many days away is November 3?
guys, sa mga nagtatanong kay Marcos, sinabi na po namin, wala po siya dito. Kanina pa kayo eh.
Huwag na kayo. Nagagalit na siya.
Nagagalit na siya, idol. Hindi pa kasi na nakakay.
Kaya naman kasi late kayo nag-join. Hindi dapat nag-join.
Oh, pag sa mga class nga naman kasi, nangyari rin sa inyo sa class na
Oo, yung teacher nagpe-present na ng something, tapos
Ako na-try ko na yun.
yung pagpasok mo, tapos ang awkward kasi titignan ka nila lahat.
Oo.
Yun yung ano doon. Tapos mapapangiti ka na, ay sir, sorry po, late po.
Early kasi ako lagi po kasi.
Hindi na-try ko din yan. Late ako tapos, di ba may mga window doon sa gilid ng sa labas ng classroom.
Oo.
Natawag dito?
Nakasilip.
Nakasilip lang ako kasi yun yung pinagdig.
Pag doon ka lang pwede manood ng klase kapag late ka.
Mag-standing ovation ka,
So
pre.
after ng subject niya, doon na lang ako papasok.
Wala.
Tapos yun, medyo na-off na ako doon. Pumunta na lang ako ng kantin. Kumain.
Grabe ka na po minsan eh.
Ako nagkakating ako eh, nung elementary.
Dito talaga honest nung
Kating talaga ako lagi.
first day of school ko talagang nagkating
Pag
ako.
mga first day. Kasi yun yung perfect time mag-cutting kasi wala pang tinuturo.
Kasi ano siya talaga, parang lang.
Papakilala yung bagay estudyante.
Introduce yourself. Ako dun, matagal na ako dun sa school na yun. Kaya, ayun.
Kunwari sa first day of class, dinner.
Kunwari mysterious.
Mysterious.
Pero pagka kalagitnaan ng ng semester,
Kasali ka na sa lista ng
noisy.
Feeling hard blood ka pa sa una-una eh.
Sorry naman Kyler Late kasi ako makapasok ng live. Huwag ka na
Ay,
Sige, lumabas
Huwag ka
ka
nang
muna.
magpaliwanag.
Tumingin ko muna sa ano. Sa window.
Grabe naman na.
Joke.
Yeah, he's very busy with ICX right now.
Yeah, I see.
ICX. I haven't watched the full episode yet.
Ako napanood ko na.
The whole one though. Ano nangyari pa sa kanya? Okay naman siya doon.
Okay naman siya. Doing very well naman.
Yeah, he does well. We're not
Ang
really
galing
good.
ng Korean.
Wow. He is the best in Korean out of all
Yeah.
of us. We can't compete with
My
Mang.
kids. Kahit sa mga pronunciation.
Yeah. He's like, who are you even?
Tapos may kanta ba yun na, di ba kumakanta tayo ng Korean for
May isa daw di pinayagan sa concert.
kasama natin sino kumanta tayo ng Leaves? Saan yun ulit?
Saan YouTube yan?
Oo,
Ah,
yun. Tapos kumanta tayo ng Korean.
Yeah.
Kasi papatulong kay Marvin.
Yung song eh.
Sabi ko,
Yeah,
ano
yun,
kanta
okay.
ito? In Korean, tapos sabi niya. Tapos, anong lyrics nun?
Ano? Lenoni.
Ayun, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, kanta mo, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, gets. Tapos kinanta ko pa rin, Ninuni, Biggie.
Yun yung part na nag-blending tayo. So pag nag-blending kami, yung kanya may accent na, Ninuni.
Well, di matanggal yung pagka-waray.
Waray.
Parang medyo mainit dito, no?
Actually, we didn't turn on the
Hindi kasi na-open ang aircon, pre. Teka, open natin.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together and know.
Ba't tangkad mo naman? Nakakainis.
We'll be together. I'll not make
Uy, malapit na magsimula! Malapit na!
Go!
Are we going to hear Racer Kos again?
I wanna perform Cosmos.
Kos!
Yan si Jiro daw.
Jeremy version.
Kos!
Hi.
Ano yung next na chorus?
So guys, ito yung link. Listen to the link. It is onair.kbs.co.kr. I repeat, it's onair kbs.co.kr. Did you guys get it? And then you go to KBS 2. Dalawa.
Dos.
Dos.
Alas dos.
Dua. E. Yeah. And then you watch it. And then 6 na.
Merong nag-ano dito, naglagay ng link.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much for sending the link.
Is it working though?
Naglagay ng link. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, it's currently on a commercial right now.
Grabe nang hirap rin kami. Sa push-up ko maghahap.
6:05 din simula pa nung show eh.
Okay.
Ito.
Ano kaya feeling ano? Pag naging number 1 ka sa ticket ano? Yung number 1 ka talaga.
Number 1?
No, no ticket selling.
I was supposed to originally go to Ice on Dinim's concert before, but the traffic was so bad I didn't get any. Because I only had money for like Gen. Walang marinig si Ice on Dinim.
Ako din.
Ano yung kanta niya?
Hello, Minix.
Nag-humming
Wake
sila.
up! Wake up! I missed you! Wake up!
Pero gusto ko talaga makapanood ng concert kasi
Yeah.
yun yung dream ko yun na makapanood ako ng concert.
Ano daw?
Ayun,
Pero sa kapatid-
The Boys. The Boys, Isang Chores. Kasi lagi tayong nagpa-perform kaya natin makikita natin kung gano'ng masaya sila.
Ano kaya ang feeling pumunta sa Horizon concert?
Ano kaya?
Share comment.
What if hindi ako
Comment down below doon.
No, what if kami lang ayaw manood na lang. So sino mag-perform?
yung Encores? Iba ka na sa'yo.
What do you guys want to see sa concert ba?
Shout out Horizon! Shout out Horizon! Shout out Horizon!
Manika Press, sigaw.
Sige, gawin mo. Ikaw nagsabi, gawin mo.
Okay lang yung late enrollees.
Okay lang guys, kasi ano, kahit late kayo, makakapasok pa rin naman kayo, hindi naman kayo papalabasin.
Pero,
Kung yung teacher niya masungit.
pero ano, like, di ba sa kapag late enroll ka, may brigada, yung tinatawag. Brigada. Parang brigada. Parang ikaw yung maglilinis no, sa mga...
Grabe mo.
Ayaw, pagka-uwian.
Kasi hindi ka nag-enroll, mapaparusahan ka?
Oo.
Totoo yan. Tapos kapag late kayo mag-enroll sa concert namin, kayo maglilinis ng mga kapatid.
Sila!
Meron, nakita ko yun kasi nung nag-ano tayo, saan ba tayo nag-show nun? Sinabi ko, of course, tulungan nyo silang linisin yung yung confetti, tapos nilinis nga nila.
Ang
Yung
galing.
confetti.
Oo, ang galing.
Galing sa
Galing talaga yun. Hindi pa. 1 minute.
brigada tawag na.
Let's go.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Gutom na ako guys, sana kayo rin.
Kain na lang ako dyan. Dahil lang
Yung gutom ako guys, sana kayo rin.
Wow, feed na feed.
Yan na lang dyan.
Super. Rister, ano daw, namimiss niyo daw yung pagiging hyper mo. Ay,
Hey!
Yun na, last na lang ng energy doon.
Guys, ito na guys, magsisimula na.
Fighting.
Yay! Ay, paano itong lagay ng songs? Tama ba?
We're excited to see.
Pina.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, yung Horizon Raven!
Ano yung todo?
150. 150 yung sa'yo? May number lang.
Guys, naman nagtatanong lang sa'yo, dyan meron dyan. Nilista ng mga ambers.
onair.kbs.co.kr. Should we chat it?
Yeah. Nandyan.
And then,
Spin mo na lang, tapos spin mo.
onair.kbs.co.kr
Let's see.
Let's see.
I'm not sure if that's gonna be the working one, but
It's kind of like that. If you search a KBS on Google,
Ganda mo.
pero open din sila yung invite na. Sino ba naglalaro dyan?
Guys, sino naglalaro sa inyo ng COD?
Wait, are we on the right channel? Why is it not? It's 6:05 though. Why is it not still starting?
Maybe it's not late.
Hindi pa magsisimula yung online class sa November 3 pa. Kaya magiging road tayo.
Hindi, walang online class sa November 3, boy.
Hindi mag-online class tayo. November 3.
F2F yun. Oo, face to face
Kasi
yun.
November una, di ba November 3 morning?
No? Hindi naman natin mag-explain.
Agree to disagree.
Agree to disagree.
We should stick together. Come dapat mag-live. Sige mag-live na kami mga friend.
Wow.
So sad.
English Facebook.
Sorry. Talk English daw.
Ano? Sorry, I'm lost in translation.
We should
Yeah,
speak
because
English
I
there's
only
a
use
class.
my English skills
Yeah.
during Wednesdays. Sorry, but now
Why?
I will use it on a Saturday because I have radio shows on Wednesdays.
Oh, yeah.
So that's where I release all of my English skills that I have accumulated throughout my life.
Wow.
How about you? When do you release your English skills?
I think when I was
When I was
I think when I was a high schooler,
Oh,
Wow.
what was your strength?
my strength is my.
No, your senior high strength. Your
Okay, my strength.
Oh, Yoso.
My strength is you know Yums.
Ah.
Yung.
I mean.
Okay guys, over the live. So yeah.
No, I'm a HRM.
HR.
Yeah, HRM student.
Oh.
What? Do we have to
We can go up kasi may TV sa taas.
Okay.
Guys, we'll cut. Oh, mawawala yung wifi.
Cut it or no? Just continue it.
Kinsa na? We're just gonna elevator.
Yeah, we're gonna go to our day, guys. That's fine. Just leave it there, then I'll go.
Okay, we're still live. We're in here. Parking.
No, we're here.
No, don't
Oh,
say
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
Going to
Fifth floor here.
죄송합니다. Voice watching. Nandiyan ka ba rin?
I think. Do you have one?
Wala akong wifi. Ah, bulong.
There's no wifi.
Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Ay, Be. Nandito kami sa ni Depunin, sa office ni Depunin.
Sit down guys. This is my office.
Bago may sopa. Bago yung sopa. Ano to? Mataluan. Sa amin lang. Can you get na the box para may pag-stand dito?
Sit down.
I'll just go. Here's the box. I'll just stand it.
Okay.
Ano tayo? Pamuhan.
Okay, we're just waiting.
We're watching Saturday. Home.
So right now we're just waiting para mag-start yung Immortal song.
Sorry, the signal was off in the elevator.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Nasa baba pa rin tayo.
And then the end.
And then what's the password?
Yun pa rin. Same lang. Oh. Baka yun pa rin. Oh!
Wow!
Ako yung mga instant.
We actually didn't see the actual run.
Yeah.
We didn't get to monitor afterwards because he was still busy filming the whole episode. So after we shot our performance. Oh! Oh, he's being in the survival.
Wow!
Oh, he
Grabe.
Grabe yung
Wow.
nag-rehearsal sila, no?
Wow. the remote, you can vote.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yung upuan. We'll also try to click it. Ooh, he's going to perform now!
Yay! Let's go!
We're watching our immortal songs with isang social media.
Anong pinapanood niyo guys?
Kakasagot
Yan tayo.
Hey!
Wow!
Right, so good,
Good. Saan kayo?
He always likes to mention us.
Yeah.
Big up! Seriously!
Okay, you.
But it's still not gonna start, it's later. Okay, go. Oh, you speak up! Yeah, it's the first
Yeah.
rod. First, we didn't read this.
I read it.
Parang kung dito mag-video. Gumagano. Gumagano. Parang ka andyan na. Stage mom ka dyan. Stage mom.
Wow!
Wow, let's go! Isang Jackson Blackpink.
Watch it.
Let's dance! Fun fact, Kyler and Marcus taught the audience how to dance the already dance.
Ang galing na nila, grabe.
So that's why they're dancing along. They taught them before.
Wow, Choni.
Oh.
Charis niyo.
Oh my gosh, is this where?
Yeah.
Starting now! Okay, tas inedit ako. Okay, go out! Hindi mo ba ito? Hindi pa ito. Ayun na! Ayun na!
Wow!
Let's go! Mommy, I'm in KDS!
Wow! Who are these people?
Wow!
Whoa! Who's that?
Pogi ko yan!
Wow, pogi, oh.
Hala! Hala!
Hello.
Okay. Okay!
Let's go!
Let's go! This is what we also did sa concert niya.
Yeah.
Kembot naman siya eh.
Let's go, guys! Wow!
Wait, I can't believe I'm in Immortal Song.
Yeah.
We're in Immortal
Wow.
Song.
Bigay na yung ano mo.
Tito, yung cellphone mo, tabingin yung video.
Di na naman.
They're dancing along.
Let's go!
Wait, may pasabog! May pasabog!
May balloons. Wow.
Balloons. Ayan na. Merong mag-aano dito.
Okay, ayan na.
May Olympics mangyayari. Oh!
Hey!
Hey!
Idol.
Oh, let's go! Wow!
Tahimik lang siya dyan, pero nagkatalambi-tambli.
Let's go!
Hey! Drop your leg inside! Oh!
We also did it with GK from it.
Yeah. Ang galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up.
Hey,
Hey!
let's go! Hey!
Let's go! Hey!
Oh! Oh!
Let's
oh,
go! Yeah!
One take lang yun, guys. Actually, one day lang ata natin pinapos yun.
Yeah.
Gabi lang.
Clutch, pre-clutch.
Clutch na clutch.
Pre.
Let's go.
It was so cool to watch Higawa with a dance break and with rap
Ang
lines.
galing, no?
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that.
Compress.
It's raining today. Compress na compress. Thank you.
We're so Charles Benny, if you're watching this, we're so very thankful.
Yeah.
So grateful for everything.
Thank you so much. He also treat us food afterwards,
Yeah.
right? So thank you so much.
Ayun, grabe.
Yeah, this girl.
That girl.
Grabe yung rehearsal nila, no?
Yeah.
Like, nakatula.
Nakifeel mo
Ano
talaga.
kasi namin meron kasi kaming in-ear while doing the rehearsal.
Oo.
So
Yeah.
narinig namin talaga yung voice nila.
They're so live singing.
Grabe.
Actually, ayan, gusto ko panoorin performance nila. Let's go, let's watch it. Wow. Grabe yung galing. Galing.
Let's
Yeah,
go. Meron bang pinapanood? Guys, did you watch it too?
Hala, mukha niya siya, no? Si Nina. Enter natin.
Sabi.
Oo.
Wow, siya pala yung nanalo.
Ganda ng patambling mo.
Nice one.
Walang stretching. Wala.
Wala mo ka natin, pre.
Wala vocal warm up, nagtumbling na siya agad, walang vocal warm up. Hindi siya nag-lip trills. Ganun.
Diretso tumbling, no?
Tumbling agad.
Warm up sa vocal warm. Wala, unavailable daw for others. Pakita mo yung video mo! Okay, he will
Go,
show
watch.
Okay guys, papakita sa inyo ni Winston yung ano.
because some people didn't get to watch it.
I think it's better if you just post it. Guys, isang kabili lang ng camera, guys. Sorry. Sorry, pasanin mo namin.
Sorry.
Yung tito po kasi namin.
Pakita mo yung special feeling mo.
Hintayin nyo ang dance break ng Higawa.
May balloons.
Merong mag-aano dito eh. May Olympics mag-aano.
Ayan na! Dance break. Hey! Hey!
Oh, let's go! Wow!
Oh!
Tahimik lang siya niya, pero hindi ko tumbling. Let's go!
Hey! Hey!
We also didn't hit GK.
That's our debut on Immortals.
Galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas. He hyped us up. Hey, let's go! Hey, oh! Let's go! Yeah! One take lang yan, guys.
Oh, top. Malapit na yan matapos.
Clutch, may clutch.
Let's go.
It was so cool to watch
Narinig nyo?
Higawa with a dance break and with rap.
Malapit na.
We didn't expect it would have that.
And wow!
Thank you so much for watching with us.
Oh, ang galing. Ang galing nating sumayaw.
So yun guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to secure your tickets sa Anchor High. And yeah, support Marcus as Max in IZX.
IZX.
And see you sa November 3!
Marami pang oras kayo mag-enroll na kayo.
Guys, huwag niyong makalimutan yung mga baon niyo pag pumasok kayo ng school.
Mag-dinner na kami.
Yeah,
So,
bye.
see you later!